updating this print from I to count. And so if we run this again, I will go ahead and comment out these previous lines so that they don't get printed and an idle. In a lot of these code editing softwares, if you hit Control or Command and then /, then usually it comments them. I guess it's a little bit different in idle. So we will instead just go ahead and comment these out individually. And we'll talk about Visual Studio Code in a future episode. All right, and we have a problem. So I'm going to hit Control C to try to get this to quit. And it looks like I have an infinite loop here. So let's fix that infinite loop next time.